Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Flavored rices are one of my favorites and I've made several rice recipes. I'll give you a couple of links in the description. Do check them out. Today I'm going to share a wonderful sesame rice recipe. Now this is both healthy and tasty and very simple to make. So let's get started and check it out. These are all the ingredients required to make the sesame powder. Now first take a white pan and heat it. Keep the flame on low and add 2 tablespoons of Chana Dal, 2 tablespoons of Urad Dal. Dry roast these two for about 2 minutes. After 2 minutes you will get a nice aroma. At this point add 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds, 8 red chillies for enough heat and saute. Next add 1 teaspoon of peppercorns. Also to add a little sourness, add about 2 tamarind bits. This actually increases the shelf life of this masala powder. After 2 minutes add about 1 tablespoon of dried coconut bits. Maintain the flame on medium and roast these ingredients. After about 2 to 3 minutes, if you can notice, all the ingredients have a nice golden brown color. At this point add 3 tablespoons of sesame seeds. Make sure you add sesame seeds at the end because they can splatter all over once they are roasted. Slight heat is enough to roast the sesame seeds. Once all these ingredients are roasted nicely, turn off the stove. Add 1 teaspoon of rock salt and 1/4 teaspoon of hing. Give it all a quick mix and transfer it to a plate. Once the ingredients are completely cooled down, transfer them to a mixer jar and grind it into a nice fine powder. The sesame powder required for the sesame rice is ready now. You can store this in a refrigerator for about 2 to 3 weeks and enjoy it whenever you want. Now take a wide kadai and add about 3 teaspoons of oil. Once the oil is heated, add 1 teaspoon of Chana Dal, 1 teaspoon Urad Dal, 1 tablespoon of peanuts and a few cashew nuts for a nice flavor. Cashews and peanuts are optional, so you can skip them if you don't want to add them. Saute the tempering ingredients until they are golden brown in color. Then add half teaspoon of mustard seeds, 2 red chillies and a few curry leaves. After you saute all these, just add a large bowl of cooked rice. You can use basmati rice or your regular cooking rice for this one. Once you mix the rice with the tempering ingredients, add 3 teaspoons of sesame powder. You can adjust this according to your taste. Keep the flame on and mix the powder to make sure it doesn't get burnt. You can cook the rice freshly or you can simply use any leftover rice for this recipe. This is a quick and easy recipe. If you have the sesame powder and rice ready with you, you literally can make this dish in under 5 minutes. Now I'm just tasting to check for seasoning. Since this needs a little more of salt, I'm adding about 1/4 teaspoon of salt here. Now you can adjust the quantity as per your taste. Give it all a quick mix. Now to add more flavor to this rice, I'm just adding 1 teaspoon of ghee before turning off the stove. Ghee adds a really nice taste. Give it all a quick mix and that's it. Our sesame rice is ready to be served nice and hot. I'll give you a couple of links to the other rice recipes that I've made earlier. Do check them out. This sesame rice doesn't need any side dish, you can enjoy it as is, and this powder can be had with idlis or dosas because it's very tasty. Now including sesame seeds into your diet on a regular basis can improve your health a lot, especially for women, and this is a nice easy way to make it. Do try, enjoy and share it with your family and friends. So for more exciting and wonderful recipes, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get your notifications. The second edition of our home cooking book is now available on our website 21frames.in. I'll give you the link in the description. You can go and check it out. The book is currently available only in India for now, so you can place your orders on 21frames.in.